So we're talking about 5 of our most favorite things about the holidays, Christmas time here in Northern Michigan.
Bill, tell us what's your number one most favorite thing about Christmas time here?
So my number one, my favorite thing is just the walkability, the ambiance of downtown. But I love the walkability or how close everything is, both the way Harbor Springs and Petoskey are set up, or Charlevoix for that matter.
And Bay Harbor?
Bay Harbor as well. So you can park your car and then you can walk to a variety of different types of stores. And there's really, I think that whole Amazon online thing is a little bit overdone. You can shop here.
Especially at our house.
Yes.
The online shopping gets overdone.
So you can shop locally, which is wonderful to support our local businesses. But also you're going to find some unique, cool gifts that are maybe specific to Northern Michigan, as well as if you're looking for some clothing or apparel, there's definitely some higher end, some cool stuff since we are in this resort town, that skiing oriented or sailing oriented, from the Outfitter, Irish Boat Shop, to Grandpa Shorters, to Bear Cub Outfitters. They've always got cool stuff for the kids. The Bonhoff, Boyne Country Sport. I mean, the list really goes on. There's so many unique stores, and the kids love when we take them as well. There are toy stores in both downtown Harbor Springs and Petoskey as well.
And the best part about it, I do enjoy some online shopping sometimes as a busy working mom, is the gift wrap that most of the stores, not all of them, but most of them offer. So it makes getting those gifts under the tree a little bit easier for you too.
So if you're not shopping necessarily, what else are some cool things that go on here in Northern Michigan?
We talk all the time about Northern Michigan being a lot like Stars Hollow, and one of the ways that shows up for us is every year with the Christmas tree lighting and the window contest. So both Petoskey and Harbor Springs sing carols around a Christmas tree that's just been lit, and for downtown merchants, they have a theme every year, and you can decorate your windows and win a contest by genre of business. This year, it is all things pink in Harbor Springs.
Is that why you're wearing pink today?
It is why I'm wearing pink today. Yes, getting in the holiday spirit here in Harbor Springs.
In addition to that, in addition to how beautiful it is downtown and some of the fun festive things we do live in a resort community, which at times it's maybe slightly congested, but that also adds to the fun of it. I just think living in a resort community is a ton of fun. So Thanksgiving week, we'll see people come in towards the end of the week. It's just more fun when it's sort of hustling and bustling and the streets are a little bit more crowded and people are in the restaurants and out at the bars and out shopping. It's just sort of a fun ambiance, and we definitely see that during the holidays. There's just more people around. It's not overly crowded, right? You can always seems to still find a parking spot either in Harbor or Petoskey, but it's just fun to have a lot of people around and they're all sort of in a good mood.
Well, and we get to see a lot of people we haven't seen in a while as well, that we've created really strong relationships with. We've helped them oftentimes with the purchase of a home here, and they're coming up. In fact, we have a client right now who's moving into their new home in Bay Harbor this weekend, and they're enjoying it. They're going to experience, they're from Florida, they're going to experience maybe some snow before they go.
Yeah.
We've had it, it came, it left. It will come back for sure. It's just a very special time to connect with people here.
That leads us right into number 2, which is Northern Michigan is a winter wonderland. So the holidays, there's just something magical. As I've said before, I grew up in California, you grew up in Kentucky. So having that white Christmas, or at least snow around the holiday time, it's just something, it's really unique. It's right out of a Hallmark card or something. It's just fun having the snow falling outside, having the white all around you. A little bit of chill in the air, you got your cap on. It just makes it a lot more fun and festive feeling.
Yes, it is really special. And as I mentioned, we do have a lot of people that come here from warmer climates. And I've also had fun this year trying to encourage people that they can drive on the snow.
Yeah.
So it's going to be okay. We've got a great infrastructure built around that. The snow gets packed. It's actually easier like you mentioned, growing up in Kentucky, we would get snow and everything would shut down for days until it melted. That's not the case here.
And the kids absolutely love it once we get the snow on the ground. Sledding, of course skiing, the winter sports park, ice skating, whether it's on a lake or at Boyne or somewhere. There's plenty of places to skate, so the kids absolutely love it. So Winter Wonderland. And our final one, Elisa.
Holiday open houses. So they are a blast. And actually, if you're a part of our VIP fan club, then you would have received an invite from us for a special, we kind of do a special treat tasting here in the office for our clients and friends. But anybody's welcome to come down and see us on December 2nd in Harbor Springs. That's when Harbor Springs, All Things Pink open house is going on. Petoskey has one as well.
That's
Friday night, the
Yep.
1st, so you can hit back-to-back open houses, and we usually do.
Yeah, it's nice. All of the businesses, they've got some sweet treats, sometimes nice other little hors d'oeuvres, cocktails maybe, all sorts of stuff. Usually the Steel Drum Band is playing at both locations Friday and Saturday night, and they're playing sort of like, reggaeton Christmas music. It's just a super cool experience. You run into people that maybe you haven't seen in a long time. Certainly some of our clients stop in and say hello. So check out both Petoskey's and Harbor Springs and stop into the Coldwell Banker office and say hi to us.
Yeah, definitely. If I can add one more thing that's great about Northern Michigan holidays that didn't make the list, and that is the ability to wear hats, especially a hot pink Winslow Group hat, because it just makes, doing that hair every morning a little bit easier, even when you're going to be on video.
So Merry Christmas. Please stop in and see us during the open house, or if you are in town this holiday season, please stop in. We'd love to see you.
Yeah, and for more great content, like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.